Hi everybody, today we are replacing this filtration water system and it has been already 6 months since we installed it. Now you may wonder, how do we know that we need to replace this? It's because the faucet has a light. Normally it's blue, but when it needs to be replaced it turns red, and that was happening to us. By the way, the package will come with the 3 replacement filters and 1 battery. The installation process was very simple. The first step is pretty much closing the T-bulb where the water will come out. After that, you have to verify that there is no more water running through the faucet. The next step will be just removing the filters, and just to make your life easy, remember to put a towel or a bucket under because a little bit of water will come out. After that, just remove the caps from the new filters. Finally, insert the filter and align the 2 arrows. So that means that is the way that you can put it inside first. And to lock it, you need to twist until it reaches this tiny circle and you will be done. To replace the battery, go to the faucet and you will find this black area. Just pull it out and there will be the battery. Just remove it, put the new one and insert it back. You will notice that the light changed from red to blue, and pretty much that means that it's working now. The final step is opening the bulb and letting the water run through for at least 5 minutes. That will activate the new filter. The installation was super simple. It took us maybe 10 minutes to do it all. And that's the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.